Oh, you guys, you don't know me, and you tend to show it. Oh, you guys, you don't know me, and you tend to show it. It's over, babe. I walked away like you.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are in a different location. As you guys can see, we're in the kitchen and we're going to be cooking today. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some Trini style curry chicken. And the reason why I say Trini style is because my family is from Trinidad and this is the way that we cook it. This is the way my mom cooks it, and this is just how, you know, Trinis cook curry chicken. So I'm going to be showing you guys some tips and tricks on how to make curry chicken. It's super easy and simple. It's a very quick and easy meal to do like any day. So if you guys are interested in cooking with me, just keep on watching. Okay, so for this recipe, you're going to need quite a few items. So the first thing that you're absolutely going to need is some chicken. You're going to want to season your chicken the night before. So I have some chicken right here. These are just like the winglets that you can get from like ShopRite or any, you know, grocery store. You can just get the frozen winglets. So this is what I got. It's already seasoned. I seasoned it overnight, so I put it in a Ziploc bag and just put it in the fridge because I know I will be cooking it today. So it's seasoned already. What I use for seasoning, you can literally use anything that you want because it is your preference. But what I used was like black pepper, salt. You can use garlic powder, onion powder, any type of seasoning that you would like to put on your chicken is up to you, okay? The second thing that you're gonna need is some curry powder. So this is the type of curry powder that my mom uses. So this is what I'm gonna use because it's like she's like the best cook, so she knows what she's doing basically. So this is the kind of powder that I use. It's called Layla's Genuine Madras Curry Powder. So it's in this red packaging. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this, you can get it at your local grocery store in like the Caribbean aisle. I get it from Joe's Market. I don't know if that's around, you know, but just go to like a Caribbean style grocery store or market and you'll definitely find this type of curry. The next thing that you're gonna need is some masala. So masala is just another type of spice that you add to the curry powder. So you're gonna add mostly curry powder and you're gonna add like 1/4 of the amount of curry powder you use of the masala to the curry powder. But you're gonna see that in a second when we start mixing it. The third thing that you're gonna need are some potatoes. Now, this is totally optional, but I love potatoes. Like I have to eat potatoes with every meal, like whether it's French fries, I have to eat potatoes with everything. So definitely get some potatoes. These are already cut. I peeled them, washed them, and cut them up into like 4s. So this is the size that you want for the potatoes. So the next thing that you're gonna need is some ground turmeric. And that's just for some color. You know, it's really optional, but this is just for a little bit of color. You're gonna wanna have some onions cut up. I already have the onions right here cut up because that is what we're gonna start out with. Every Trinidadian or Caribbean dish has to start out with onions and sometimes even garlic just to, you know, get the flavors going and get it set in. So you always want to start out with some type of onions or garlic when you're starting any type of meal. The next thing you're gonna need, as always, is some oil. I have some vegetable oil right here. You're gonna need that. And yeah, guys, that is it. Let's just get right into making the curry chicken. The sides that I have today are rice and fried plantains. I'm not really gonna show you guys how to make that, but because we're focusing on the curry chicken today. But yeah, I'm just letting you guys know that those are my sides today, and we're about to be eating good. All right, so let's get right into making this curry chicken.
Okay, so first you're gonna wanna get your curry powder. Let's open that bad boy up. And we're gonna take about 3 spoonfuls of the powder, like heaping spoonfuls, as you guys can see. Next, we're gonna put a little bit of that turmeric. And then we're gonna put about 2 spoons of the masala. Next, you're gonna wanna add some water gradually. So you wanna make like kind of like a paste. So if it's looking like a paste, then you're doing it right. If it's looking like this, so just keep adding water or add as much as you think until it gets to like a paste. After you do that, you wanna get your iron pot ready with some oil. And then we're gonna add our onions. And once you add these onions, it's gonna have a nice aroma to your house. You can also add garlic if you would like, but I only had onions at the time. It really is your preference. Once that has cooked for about 2 minutes, you're gonna add your curry powder. And then you're gonna mix that together for about 1 minute. Now you're gonna wanna add your seasoned chicken. Here I am just adding it to my pot. And once you add it, you wanna make sure that all of the chicken is coated in that nice curry sauce, that nice curry paste that you made. And it should look like this. Once you're done with that, you want to cover your pot, and then the chicken is going to naturally spring some water. So it may look dry, but the chicken is going to naturally spring water. Once you let that sit for about 10 minutes, then you're going to, just check on it. And you're gonna add your potatoes at this time. You're gonna wanna make sure all of that is coated in the curry paste as well. Just stir it around. Once you're done with that, you're gonna wanna add some water, about a cup of water, and then this is just to cook the chicken. So once you do this, you just cover the pot and let it cook for about 20 minutes. And then it should look like this. It should still have some sauce. It should not be dry at all. So it should still have some sauce. These are my plantains over here. I'm getting my sides ready. And yeah, guys, this is the final look and the final result. I paired it with some rice and some plantains. It looks incredible. It looks so good.
We are back and we're ready to eat. I am starving right now. I haven't eaten all day. I literally only ate cereal today. That was breakfast. That was like hours ago. So I am starving. Oh my gosh, I forgot my fork. All right, now we're ready. So this is the final result of the curry chicken. It looks beautiful. It has the perfect green color. You want it to look this dark and green. That means when it's this green, that means you know what you're doing. Like the curry chicken came out really good. So right now I'm about to try it and see how it tastes. I'm starving. Yep, that's like the perfect amount of spice. Like it's so so good. The potatoes are cooked perfectly. Plantain. Now if you guys will excuse me, I'm gonna go finish this food because I'm about to rip right now. So let me know down in the comments if you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'm gonna finish this food and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.
Oh, you guys, you don't know